So you're going to a work thing this evening that your company has sponsored a table at. It's supposed to be a work thing, but it's also a fun thing. What are you supposed to wear? We'll talk about what's appropriate, and I'll show you that you probably already have something in your closet. Unless specified as black tie only, how can we replace this phrase with one that is non-gender biased? Comment below, please. I would err on the side of more than business casual. The easiest way to accomplish this is to throw on a blazer over any business casual outfit you have. I have a great video on that here. Alternatively, if you want to go a little fancier, I recommend wearing that wedding guest outfit that you thought you would never wear again. Throw on a little blazer or a shawl and you'll be good to go, which is exactly what I planned on doing tonight.
I wore this dress to a wedding at St. Paul's Cathedral in Minnesota in August of 2019. It's a HAILEE C black sleeveless dress with a drop waist and mock neck. I wore my hair up to complement the mock neck. A light-colored blazer, shoes, and purse that match were chosen to tone down the outfit and add contrast to the black. This outfit is fun, and the blazer brings in that professional aspect, making it absolutely perfect for a work fundraiser event. See links in the description below for items featured here today. I have no affiliations or sponsorships, just a love for clothes and styling. Thanks for watching.